Hey guys, in this section, we're going to use similarity to solve problems. So we're looking at geometric figures and we're going to label what we know. So on this first question, I know LM equals 6. So this section from L to M is 6. And then the section MN, so from here to here, is 21. Q to P is 49. And we want to calculate the length of LP. So this big section from L to P is what we're trying to find. That's X. So what's helping us is LMQ is similar, that's what that squiggly line means, to LNP. So first, I'm going to add these together. So 21 plus 6 is 27. And that's the side that's similar to what I'm trying to find. So I'm trying to find X. And that's similar to 27. That's the full side length. And I'm going to set that equal to the smaller ratio. So I know this 49 is similar to 21. So one thing to notice, look at how X and 49 both came from the right side. And then 27 and 21 came from the left side of my picture. Those are right here. So that keeps everything balanced on the equal sign. You want to make sure you do that. And now once it's set up, we solve. So I have 21x equals 49 times 27. So I'm on Desmos, which is 1323. And now I'm going to solve for x, so I'm going to divide both sides by 21. So 1323 divided by 21 is 63. So x is 63, and that's what we were trying to solve. So right there, that'd be our answer. Okay, so that's when triangles are together. This next one is also similar objects. Make this a little smaller. And again, it helps to draw it out, so you might want to draw these on your own piece of paper and label what we know. So J to K is 28. J to L, so J to L is 22. K to L is 15. M to L is 20. And we're trying to find NL. That's going to be our X. So when I'm looking at similar sides, I know these are the same angle because they're vertical. So this also must be the same angle. So I have similar triangles. So I'm trying to find X, which look at my angles. It's the given angle to the red angle. So X is the same as 22. It's the given angle to the red angle. So X is to 22 as, and now I need to keep on this right triangle, I need to use 20 because it's part of this triangle. So as 20 is, then I want to find the similar side. So red angle, green angle, red angle, green angle. So it's the same as this side. So as 20 is to 15. And when it's all set up, we do cross multiply. So 15x equals, and I have 22 times 20. 440. And then to solve for x, we're going to divide both sides by 15 to get our x value. So 440 divided by 15. Which is 29.3. So our answer will be this one. All right, let's do a couple more. Here's another one. I'm gonna make it a little smaller. Again, I'm gonna start these all the same. I'm gonna label what I know. So A to D is 6. D to C is 13. B to E is 4. And we want to calculate EC. So I know 6 is to 4. As 13 is to what I'm trying to find, x. And that works because these are parallel lines. So I know this angle is congruent to this angle. And then both triangles share that angle, angle C. And so by default, these angles are the same. So using similar triangles, I can set up this ratio. So I get 6x equals 4 times 13. So 52. And then I'm going to divide both sides by 6. And I'm going to get 8.67. So this one. Okay. A couple more here. I'm looking at kites. Again, I'm going to label what I have. So AY is 12. IT is 17. LY is 2. And we're calculating ET. So this one. I'm just going to make sure this lines up using the similarities. So K is similar to F. I is similar to L. T is similar to Y. So these are actually lined up perfectly. The angles already. And then E to A. Okay, so I'm going to start with X. X goes with 12. As 17 goes with 2. And again, just notice that over here, those are both the same side, and these are both the same side. But the X and the 17 come from the left, and they're both on the numerator. The 12 and the 2 are both on the right, and they're on the denominator. So now I'm going to cross multiply. 2x equals 17 times 12. 204. Divide both sides by 2. X equals 102. Right here. So you will have some fill in the blank. Go through these pretty quick. We have some numbers here, but I don't have a picture to label, so I'm going to draw this picture. So I have a triangle that I'm going to label A, B, C, and it's similar to a different triangle, so maybe just a little smaller. And I'm going to label the same way. So A is similar to D. B is similar to E, and then C goes with that. Alright, AB is 8, DE is 36, AC is 18, and we're trying to find DF. So I'm going to start with X. X is similar to 18. They're on the same side of that triangle. And then since I started with the right triangle, I got to do that again. 36 is similar to 8. We're going to cross multiply. 8x equals 18 times 36 is 648. And then divide both sides by 8 to get x by itself. Which is 81. So you would type in 81 on that one. Last one. This one gives me a picture, so I'm going to label what I know. We're calculating GH, so that's my X. LP is 27. IF is 8. NM is 12. ML is 23. And then I'm just going to check. F and M are the same. G and L are the same. H and P are the same. So that leaves N and I the same as well. So that's going to help me just make sure I'm lining up the right sides. So I'm going to start with X and see how that's between my 2 and 3 angle. So over here, my 2 angles L, my 3 angles P. So X goes with 27. And then I started on the left, so I need to do that again. Now I have to use 8, that's on the left, and I have to make sure I choose the right side. So 8 starts with the 1 angle to the dot angle. So 8 goes to 12. So notice I'm not using 23. That was given to us, but we're not using it when we solve. Okay, cross multiply. 12x equals 8 times 27, 216, and then divide both sides by 12. Is 18. So x equals 18, you would type in 18.